last week, we started touching up on a very interesting phenomenon that we find in cells. Essentially, we found a way to program cells so that they act like essentially a living robot. And they're called Xenobots. So imagine Xenobots helping us cure cancer, helping us go into the body and figuring out what's causing these ailments.
Time to asteroid field.
If we maintain our current speed, 2 hours, 23 minutes, sir.
Mr. Data, the rest of us may lose consciousness. If we do, it will be your job to execute the plan as discussed.
Aye, sir.
Well, let's hope they're good guys, because we've seen the movies.
Let's go.
Come on! We gotta get out of here, come on! Get up! Oh, ham and chocolate. Put your weight on me, come on. Hurry!
Assuming that they're good Xenobots, right? Imagine we live in a world where these Xenobots, they are made out of cell membranes just like a normal cell is, and they have a nuclei, and then they have a way of making energy. Maybe they're using ATP, adenosine triphosphate. We learned that in quarter one.
Honestly, I don't know.
You know what that means? It's Latin. Means no.
Alright, forget it. Don't worry about it. But review your notes, okay? Cell membrane, nuclei, mitochondria, makes ATP, breaks down sugar, carbohydrates, which is why you eat, okay? And you have to breathe in oxygen because that has to happen. Alright, so imagine these Xenobots needing protection because some virus, right, someone can put a wetware program on the virus, and the virus can enter into the Xenobot and, hijack it, just like what happens with normal cells and viruses. Or imagine the Xenobot has these machines in them that is used to send Wi-Fi signals, and someone is using their own Wi-Fi signal to basically hack into this.
Hacking her was simple. Her password, Dylan2791. Favorite artist in the year in which she was born backwards.
Imagine that. What would you do? How could you protect the Xenobot from such signals and such viruses? What would your firewall look like? What would your malware for your wetware look like? Malware for your wetware. Ooh, interesting. Okay, so now we have hardware, we have software and wetware, because cells are living in wet because of... Your assignment is to essentially use your imagination. I want you to go into your Google Classroom and start watching the video about exactly what a Xenobot is, and then from there I want you to finish the quick quiz to help you jog your imagination, because at the end you're going to draw a Xenobot, of course with a cell membrane, with some parts that you need for energy, probably something like a mitochondria. Where are you going to store your coding? Probably something like a nucleus. And then what would you develop around your Xenobot to help protect it from wet malware or protect it from viruses? Okay? Remember, there's no right or wrong answer. It's just you and your imagination. You're the biomedical engineer, and you're also the cyber wetware and technician. Okay? Anyway, have a great Monday and mahalo.